Hello trader, today is 24th. I am finishing off my closing day trading analysis. We entered only one product, is natural gas. We made a profit of 1000 rupees. This is almost 0.8. Let us see what is happening today's market. Let me go today our PDF analysis. You may have seen that the gold may go up and silver may go up, but we said it was very weak price because of the low volume which was happening last week in gold and silver. That's why this market is not gone up. Second important thing is the market standard deviations value is plus 2.16. that is too high to enter any buy in that area. Let us see the graph. See that the market is up, down, again up, down, again up, down, very much of sideways movements. In the closing hours, it sees some break up this area and then very much entered into the same area again. So that's why we are not entered. Two reasons: it was in very weak volume. Second thing is it is plus 2.16 of standard deviations, which is so high to enter in a buy or sell decisions. So we are not entered. Silver, that is the same thing. The crude oil, we said it was in the resistance to be broke up at the level of 5,840 to 5,850 area. The market is opened up below to that. Previous close was higher. I think our previous close was 5,852 or 60. Then open was 20 points lesser than that, and then there is nothing much movement in crude too. Let us see the chart again. This was the area which I am talking about. The market is entered the 5,840 level, and then from there market comes down. Look at the volume, again weak volume, downtrend. Natural gas, which I am talking about, the trend of natural gas which was downtrend. This is the area of this is the move which we are not capitalized it, and then on the counter move we have taken into the consideration of this area. We have entered a short at this level, and then we catch up this move, and then we close around this area of 262.30. it was my exit entry. Why we are exits? It's because here it is 262 level will be at the triple touch area. Market will be go up from this area. That was exactly happened. Let me close this. And copper is very much sideways. We are not entered into that. And then also I said in my PDF, this was in very much in the sideways area and then low volume. We are not entering into that. Nickel, I said the market is just broken the 89 channel. It may be retraced up to the 880 level. Let us see what happened to it. See that this is the retracements I am talking about. This area, from this area, this was an 89 broke up area, this area, then it went up, then retraced, and then it went gone up. So this is happened in MCX. We trade one and then we captured. This is the thing. This is the MCX. Realized market profit is 1,000 rupees. Natural gas, 28 January contract, and then you see that market to market. And then this, look at this. Last traded price is 263.40, which was too high. Just around 0.3 is higher than what we entered. We exit is exactly justified because of this. This is not about the rupees that we earn. This is matter of our target is hit. That is important thing. Second thing is I would like to share about few of my indicators and few of my analysis method. Let us go for gold, and this is the gold actually. Look at this, the market is open up big buyers intersections. Thereafter there is no momentum at all, and then again look at that, this is a big sellers intersections in this area. lot of sellers is coming to this area, the market is falls off. This is the area of consolidation. Look at the squeeze of MACD. So this is telling us this the biggest momentum is going to come in near. The biggest momentum is very near. Let us see. This circle is based on the intersection formula, which I am using, which may be used in mathematics. P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersections B. Like that, we are using 5 formulas to identify this intersection areas. Let us see what is happening on natural gas. Look at that. This was momentum is down. The biggest, the sellers intersection in this area, then probably the pullback, again the sellers intersection happen in this area, and then we entered a short at this level 263.10 this area, and then we catch up this move. Actually we plan to catch up 1 to 1.5 move, 261.60 exactly, that was our prediction, but we exited this because of 3 line touch which was happening in a 4 hour. So that's why I send SMS to our clients to exit at 261.20 to 30, that area 261.1 to 262.3. I exited at 261.3. Some of the clients are exited in 263.1 or 2 levels. So same thing in silver. Look at that, lot of buyers and sellers is the mixed areas. Look at this level. This area and this area and this area is buyers comes into pull the market up, look at this sellers area. So these two things are I'm going to discuss. Please read our PDF, because in that PDF I discussed a lot of things, because important support level, important resistance, and then what we call the a momentum shift area, and then divergence factors, and then importantly volume, open interest analysis, and daily analysis, and then weekly analysis, comparison of daily and weekly, and our important things is to compile everything into a single platform, and then we have to find and identify the proper directions of the trend. Then also I forgot to say, that's equilibrium of index. This is the core important analysis for us, where is the momentum is. So thank you very much for watching my video, and then please wait for my PDF that will be delivered in tomorrow.